What if I told you Toyota's smallest crossover might actually be one of its smartest creations yet? Meet the all-new 2026 Toyota Aygo X, a compact SUV that combines bold design, cutting-edge technology, impressive efficiency, and urban practicality in one stylish package. But does this tiny crossover have what it takes to dominate city streets and compete with larger SUVs? Stay with me because today, we're taking a complete look at everything the new Aygo X has to offer. 2026 Toyota Aygo X proves that great things really do come in small packages. Toyota has taken its popular city crossover and refined nearly every aspect, creating a vehicle that feels more premium, more modern, and more capable than ever before. From the very first glance, it's obvious that this isn't just another small hatchback. Instead, it carries the confident attitude of a true crossover with SUV-inspired styling that immediately grabs attention. The first thing you'll notice is the bold front fascia. The wide honeycomb grille gives the Aygo X an aggressive personality, while the sleek LED headlights create a sharp, futuristic appearance. The sculpted hood flows naturally into muscular fenders, giving the vehicle a stronger stance than its compact dimensions would suggest. Toyota has also included stylish black cladding around the wheel arches and lower body, enhancing its rugged crossover appeal without sacrificing elegance. Finished in the eye-catching sunset orange metallic paint with a contrasting gloss black roof, the Aygo X stands out from the crowd. This two-tone combination gives the vehicle a premium look that feels much more expensive than its segment would normally suggest. Whether parked outside a cafe or cruising through busy city streets, the Aygo X makes a confident statement. Moving along the side profile, the design continues to impress. The floating roof effect, sharp character lines, and stylish alloy wheels all work together to create a dynamic appearance. Even though the Aygo X is designed primarily for urban environments, its elevated ride height provides a commanding driving position, while also making entry and exit easier for passengers. At the rear, Toyota continues the sporty theme with modern LED taillights connected by clean design elements, a subtle roof spoiler, and a sculpted rear bumper that gives the crossover a youthful and energetic personality. Every angle has been carefully designed to maximize style while maintaining excellent aerodynamics. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how much attention Toyota has paid to improving cabin quality. Despite being a compact crossover, the interior feels surprisingly spacious and modern. High-quality materials cover the dashboard, while soft-touch surfaces and premium stitching create a much more upscale atmosphere than many competitors in this class. The driver-focused cockpit places every important control within easy reach. Directly in front of the steering wheel sits a fully digital instrument cluster that provides crystal-clear driving information. The graphics are sharp, customizable, and easy to read in all lighting conditions. At the center of the dashboard is a large floating touchscreen infotainment system. The display responds quickly to touch inputs and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration without the hassle of cables. Navigation, music streaming, voice commands, and vehicle settings are all accessible through the intuitive interface. Toyota has also improved cabin comfort with upgraded seats that provide excellent support during both short city trips and longer highway drives. The sunset orange exterior is complemented by tasteful orange stitching inside the cabin, adding a sporty touch without becoming overwhelming. Passengers in the rear benefit from improved legroom and headroom thanks to Toyota's intelligent packaging. While the Aygo X remains compact enough to easily navigate crowded streets, it offers enough interior space for everyday family use, grocery shopping, or weekend adventures. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Toyota Aygo X is its practicality. The cargo area has been optimized to maximize storage capacity, making it easier to carry luggage, shopping bags, or sports equipment. Fold the rear seats down, and you'll unlock even more cargo space for larger items. Under the hood, Toyota continues its tradition of delivering efficient and reliable powertrains. Depending on the market, The Aygo X is expected to feature an updated fuel-efficient gasoline engine paired with either a smooth manual transmission or Toyota's latest CVT automatic gearbox. Engineers have refined the engine for quieter operation, improved responsiveness, and even better fuel economy. For city drivers, this means fewer visits to the gas station and lower ownership costs. The lightweight platform also contributes to excellent agility, making parking, tight turns, and narrow streets feel effortless. Thanks to its compact dimensions and responsive steering, the Aygo X feels perfectly at home in busy urban environments. Ride comfort has also received noticeable improvements. Toyota has fine-tuned the suspension to better absorb bumps while maintaining stable handling through corners. Whether driving over uneven pavement or cruising on the highway, the Aygo X delivers a composed and confidence-inspiring experience. Safety has always been a major priority for Toyota, and the 2026 Aygo X continues that tradition with the latest Toyota Safety Sense technologies. Drivers can expect features such as pre-collision system, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, road sign assist, automatic high beams, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a reversing camera with parking sensors. These advanced driver assistance systems work together to make every journey safer and less stressful. Technology extends beyond safety. The Aygo X also offers wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, premium audio options, connected vehicle services, keyless entry, push-button start, automatic climate control, and over-the-air software updates to keep the system current. Toyota has carefully balanced affordability with premium features, making the Aygo X one of the most attractive options in the compact crossover segment. Buyers who want SUV styling without the size, cost, or fuel consumption of larger vehicles will likely find the Aygo X extremely appealing. Its biggest competitors may offer similar dimensions, but Toyota's reputation for long-term reliability, excellent resale value, and low maintenance costs gives the Aygo X a significant advantage. Combine that with its striking design and modern technology, and it's easy to understand why so many buyers are expected to consider this vehicle. Of course, official specifications and pricing may vary depending on the region, and Toyota may introduce different trim levels with additional features and customization options. That means buyers will have the opportunity to choose a version that best fits their lifestyle and budget. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Aygo X successfully blends stylish design, everyday practicality, advanced technology, impressive efficiency, and Toyota's trusted reliability into one compact crossover package. It's designed for modern drivers who want something that's easy to live with every day while still turning heads wherever it goes. So, is the 2026 Toyota Aygo X the perfect urban crossover? It certainly makes a compelling case. With its bold sunset orange styling, premium cabin, smart technology, excellent fuel efficiency, and impressive safety features, it offers far more than its compact size might suggest. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a city commuter, or simply looking for an affordable crossover with premium character, the new Aygo X deserves a place on your shortlist. Now it's your turn. Would you choose the 2026 Toyota Aygo X over rivals like the Hyundai i10 Cross, Kia Picanto X-Line, or Fiat Panda Cross? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive reviews and future car reveals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.